morning po. I am Dr. Maria Cecilia Lim. I am the laboratory head of the drug testing.
Before that,
So head po ako ng drug testing laboratory ng St. Luke's Medical Center, Global City. So yung 2 minutes and 54 seconds po, kaya po talaga ng drug testing kit. Mabilis pong lumabas yung resulta. Yung mga sinasabi po nilang 5 minutes, yun po yung maximum time na i-allow namin na lumabas yung line ng drug test. Pag lumabas po yung linya, hindi na mawawala yun, negative na kayo.
I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Escudero and Senator Bongo. Thank you very much sa your honors. Mukhang dumadami na akong kasama dito. Lumalakas na yung loob ko. Andyan na kayo. Marami na akong reinforcement. Thank you, thank you. Please,
Probably conditionally, Mr. Chairman, because I want to be surprised too. I don't know the nature of the testimony to be given by the witness of Senator Jinggoy. But I'm willing to go along with the chairman's ruling to allow this witness for the meantime.
well, thank you. Thank you. As I have said, no holds barred ako dito. Kahit sino. Pakinggan ko. That's why we have a hearing. Para pakinggan natin. Senator Jinggoy. Before you continue, you want to say your... Okay. So please, Senator Mark, may pa statement ka? Okay, go ahead, Senator Jinggoy.
Mr. Chair, thank you very much. Gusto mo? Ano? Pwede natin unahin yung St. Luke's, baka habang hinihintay natin yung ating witness.
Yes,
unahin natin yung St.
What
Luke's.
about St. Luke's? Anong tanong natin dito? Ha?
Tungkol dun sa
Drug test na?
time ano?
Yung 2 minutes na drug test.
Yes.
Sino nagsabi ng 2 minutes? Ikaw yun, Morales. St. Luke's.
Your Honor, yun yung nakalagay doon sa sa report doon.
Yes, nabasa ko. Thank you. St. Luke's.
Maybe Dr. Ana,
Yes, sir.
you were the one who signed this?
Yes, sir.
Can you just explain before the committee ano raw yung kino-complain nila yung 2 minutes lapse or
2
whatever?
minutes and 54 seconds.
Yeah, before you answer the question, please introduce yourself para malaman namin yung qualifications mo, ma'am. Please
Good
go ahead.
morning po. I am Dr. Maria Cecilia Lim. I am the laboratory head of the drug testing.
Before that, Doctor, I'm sorry to interrupt, Mr. Chair. Can we have our surprise witness be seated here? And he is the former PDEA chief. Of course, you know him very well, Mr. Chair.
Yes, in fact, another former PDEA chair here, PDEA Director General, General Kakdak, may former senior officer in the PNP. Kahit na may sakit siya, pumunta siya dito. Inoperahan siya sa likod, pupunta siya dito. So, thank you, sir, for coming over. Thank you. You did not let me down. Thank you, sir, for the invitation. And also, my upperclassman, the former officer of the PNP, General Pilisardo Serapio. Sir, thank you. Again, you didn't let your underclassman down. Thank you for coming over. Salamat, sir.
Chairman, point
Yes.
of order, Mr. Chairman.
Ha?
Point of order.
Yes, go ahead.
Where do we start? With the surprise or...
St. Luke's muna. St. Luke's muna. Please continue, ma'am. At saka yung... sige. Go ahead. Continue. St. Luke's.
So head po ako ng drug testing laboratory ng St. Luke's Medical Center, Global City. So yung 2 minutes and 54 seconds po, kaya po talaga ng drug testing kit. Mabilis pong lumabas yung resulta. Yung mga sinasabi po nilang 5 minutes, yun po yung maximum time na i-allow namin na lumabas yung line ng drug test. Pag lumabas po yung linya, hindi na mawawala yun, negative na kayo. Pero yung naghihintay kayo na mag-a-appear yung linya, hanggang 5 minutes po yung maximum. So we can get, 40 to 50 seconds, may resulta na po.
40 to 50 seconds, may resulta na. So yung doubt nila na 2 minutes, so fast, is not improbable and is not impossible.
Correct, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we
May
have the
linya ba
answer.
lumabas, Doktora?
Um,
Good morning po.
Please identify yourself.
I'm Jereza Reyes, the drug analyst from St. Luke's Medical Center, Global City. So, as the analyst po, yes, may lumabas po na line. So, sa drug test kit po natin, meron dun yung control line at saka yung line for the drug analyte. So, dun po sa resulta, may lalabas po dapat siya talaga na line as negative.
Negative.
Yes.
Negative.
Yes po.
Alright. Will that satisfy everything?
Mr. Chairman.
Yes,
Mr. Chairman.
go ahead, Senator Escudero.
Permission of Senator Jinggoy. On this point, Dr. Fernandez, and to Ms. Reyes, yung 2 minutes and 54, 57? 54. Ito yung oras na lumipas mula nung inilagay yung sample dun sa makina hanggang lumabas yung resulta. Tama po ba?
Sir, hindi po makina. Ito po ay drug test kit na para pong pregnancy test kit or
So,
para
parang ginaganon
rin
ka na?
COVID. Hindi naman po. Ida-drop mo lang yung urine sa one end, tapos hihintayin mo na lang siya.
So,
wala po makina.
hindi ito yung kabuang proseso ng kinuha yung urine na 2 minutes lang.
Yung transaction time po is the specimen collection. So, pag abot po nung sample, tapos gagawin na niya.
At yung rule ng DOH, hindi pwedeng lumampas ng,
Wala pong rule ng DOH.
hindi pwedeng mas mabilis kesa, ano yung 5 minutong binabangit niyo po kanina?
Yung drug test kit po na ginagamit namin, hanggang 5 minutes po, pwede niyong basahin.
Now, I remember the press con of then Executive Secretary, no, he was not yet Executive Secretary at that time, he was about to be, Vic Rodriguez. Sabi niya, tinest daw po sa lahat ng uri ng droga. Ano-ano pong klase ng droga tinest o lahat po ba kasama?
Kanino po? Kay
Yung test po na ginawa ninyo,
cocaine lang po ang pinagawa.
cocaine lang po ang pinagawa.
Opo,
Hindi po kasama ang iba.
hindi po.
Yung resultang yun po ba isinapubliko?
Ano daw?
I saw it on GMA, read it on in the papers. The results of the drug test.
Is what?
If I may
Anong galing
answer,
po sa amin?
if I may answer, Senator Cheese, this was widely publicized in 2021, if I may recall, if my memory serves me right.
So it was publicized, ma'am.
It didn't come from St. Luke's.
It
We do
came
not
from
know.
the person tested.
So,
Personally.
Mr. Senator Chis, yung drug test na ito na pinag-usapan na ito, yung sinabi ni Executive Secretary Rodriguez, this pertains to the drug test that you made on the former Senator Bongbong Marcos?
Yes.
Yung ba ibig mong sabihin?
Yes.
Opo.
Yan yun?
Opo.
So, you said that particularly cocaine ang tinitest ninyo. Why cocaine?
Yun po yung hiningi niya
Hiningi ni
nung pasyente.
sinong pasyente?
Si Marcos po.
President Marcos.
Then,
Senator Marcos. Yun ang gusto niyang hingin about cocaine.
yun po lang ang
So,
hiningi niya.
your laboratory is capable of tracing cocaine residues dun sa ihi ng pasyente.
Yes po.
So, iba yung ginagamit nyo sa cocaine, iba yung ginagamit nyo sa shabu. Iba rin
Iba po.
gagamitin ninyo sa marijuana. Am I correct?
Opo.
Pero kung ako, walk-in lang ako, pupunta ako doon sa iyo, I want a drug test. Anong gagamitin ninyo?
Kung ano pong hihingin nyo.
Oh, may ganun ba na hingin?
Ah,
Kasi lahat ng tao dito sa Pilipinas magpa-drug test. Hindi ba nagtatanong na i-test nyo ako sa cocaine? I-test niyo ako sa Cebu? I-test niyo ako sa marijuana? Wala. Pupunta ako sa inyo, magpa-drug test para pag mag-negative, dalhin ko yung dokumento, nag-apply ako ng trabaho. Yun lang naman ang ginagawa natin. Hindi naman kami nagre-request sa inyo ng i-test niyo ako sa cocaine. I-test niyo ako sa Cebu. I-test niyo ako sa marijuana. Hindi pupunta ako sa inyo. Please, conduct drug test. Oh, negative. Salamat. Dahil ko ito sa in-applyan ko ng trabaho. Oh, wala ako negative ako. Bakit?
And possess firearms. Meron din pong required random testing for secondary and collegiate level student. Random testing
Ang tinatanong ko po yung nag-a-apply para sa permit to carry firearms?
Yes, kailangan po yun. Kailangan po na
Lahat po ba ng droga tinetest?
shabu and marijuana po ang
Pag nagko-cocaine ako, apply ako ng lisensya, pwede.
maring makalusot po kasi po yun po yung yun po yung
Not to emphasize with the chairman's point,
See that?
So, for license to carry firearm outside of residence, ang tinetest lang po ng PNP ay shabu at marijuana?
yan po yung predominant.
Yes or no, sir? Meaning, apparently there are different tests. Yes or no, sir?
Recording in
yes, Your
progress.
Number 2, drug test for driver's license. Ano lang po yung tinetest?
Ganun din po. Your
shabu
Honor,
lang.
shabu and marijuana, for marijuana.
And marijuana. So yan po yung nire-require ng gobyerno? Sa mga pagkakataong nire-require ang drug test?
Yan, kasi po iba-iba pong reagent na ginagamit dyan eh. At itong shabu and marijuana being the predominant drugs na ginagamit natin, yan po yung marami na tayong reagents.
Sir, saan po nakasulat yan? Na shabu and marijuana lang ang test natin?
Wala naman po, pero yan po yung practice na ginagamit natin.
No, on the part of PIDEA and especially on the part of the Dangerous Drugs Board, you are the part, especially the DDB, which is policy making. I think this fell into the cracks. Sino nagde-determine yung bumibili ng testing kits? Where is the policy coming from? Bakit sino nag-decide at nagsabing marijuana lamang at shabu?
Meron pong dalawang test na ginagawa yung screening and yung confirmatory. Pag nag-positive po yung sa first screening, ito po yung isa subject for confirmatory at
Sir,
dito po malalaman.
Sir, I agree, sir, but my question is, where is it written na pag drug test required by government, whether for driver's license or for permit to carry firearm outside of residence, you only test for these two prohibited drugs? San po nakasulat yon? Sino nagbaba ng polisiyang yon? Sino nagdesisyon po nun? O nagkataon lang? Nakasanayan lang?
Wala pong ganong policy. Ganun lang, yan lang po yung ginagawa. Siguro po dahil sa additional expenses kung gagamit pa ng reagent. Pero yun nga po, dun sa secondary testing po, dun sa confirmatory testing, dito po malalaman kung anong drugs yung na-detect dun sa initial screening.
Perhaps there is another gap the good chairman and the committee can look into, Mr. Chairman. Why is it that it's only only the tests for shabu and marijuana is being used? Because clearly shabu and marijuana would be called the poor man's addictive drug, while cocaine would be the richer man's addictive drug. So kahit pala sa testing, pinapaboran yung mayaman kumpara sa mahirap. Di ba dapat kung nagtitest tayo, gaya ng sinabi ni Senator Bato, lahat na. But the point I'm driving at, Mr. Chairman, is kung ang gobyerno namimili ng kung anong droga ang itetest, lalo naman siguro kung yung individual na magpapatest, kung anong babayaran niya. And I remember that time, I think this test was done in November, and issues were being raised with then candidate Bongbong Marcos that these issues were raised to against him. That allegedly he was a cocaine user, and that's why at that time they conducted these tests to answer in light of the political perhaps weather at that time, the issues being raised against him. Although there is no legal requirement for a candidate to do a drug test. That was attempted at some point in time in our history to require a drug test, but the Supreme Court unfortunately struck it down as an additional requirement for elective office, which is not allowed under the Constitution. Unfortunately, sana nga ni-require yun, pero hindi. Sabi ng Korte Suprema, hindi pwede.